This might be the most addictive bread I have ever made. Crispy on the outside, soft, buttery, and packed with flavor inside. And the best part, it starts in the forest. Hi everyone, welcome back to Avendu. On a beautiful spring day, I went into the forest. The air was fresh, everything was green, and the ground was covered with wild garlic. I wanted to use what nature gives us in this season to slow down, connect, and enjoy the process. So I picked a handful of fresh wild garlic leaves and brought them home. And that's where the baking begins. First, I gently heat the milk with butter over medium heat, just until melted. Then I add sugar and let it dissolve. I set it aside to cool slightly. In another bowl, I whisk 2 eggs until smooth and set them aside. Now for the dough. I start with 2/3 of flour. Then I add the zest of one organic lemon. Organic really matters here. Next, 100 grams of active sourdough starter. Then I add the milk mixture and the eggs and mix everything together. Gradually, I add the rest of the flour and finally half a teaspoon of salt. The dough should come away from the bowl easily. That's how you know it's ready. If it's too sticky, add a bit more flour, but not too much. Then I knead the dough on a flour surface for about 20 minutes. You can use a stand mixer, but honestly, these parts feel like meditation. I let the dough rest for about 4 hours at room temperature. For the filling, I mix lemon zest, softened butter, a pinch of salt, and finely chopped wild garlic. Then I combine everything into a rich, fragrant paste. Once the dough has risen, I knead it briefly again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then roll it out to about 1 centimeter thick. I spread the filling evenly and sprinkle grated Parmesan on top. Then I cut the dough into rough squares. No need to be precise. I stack and arrange them in a baking pan. Then let it rest again for 35 to 40 minutes. Then bake at 165 Celsius for about 50 minutes in a preheated oven. And the result: a soft, full apart sourdough bread with fresh lemon brightness and deep garlicky flavor. It's rich, it's fresh, and honestly very hard to stop eating. You have to try this. It's simple, seasonal, and incredibly delicious.